My name's Rusty Burrell. I'm from Richmond, Virginia. I'm part of the James River Homebrewers Club. Normally I brew kind of basic beers like Pilsners and Pale Ales and stuff. But I had brewed this mango milkshake with coconut IPA once for my daughter's first birthday party. We had some family members coming over and I kind of wanted something crazy to wow them with. So when the contest came up, I thought, well, what's the craziest beer I know how to brew? And that was the mango milkshake. So yeah, I went with that, and luckily it worked out. It was like amazing to see, you know, my recipe sheet scaled up to you know, production level. And yeah, I mean, it's super exciting to have one of my beers like being brewed on a real system and not in my garage, you know. I'm very excited to be collaborating with Stone, and super pumped for everybody to try my beer.